Class, we are doing chapter number 7 in physics, electricity and magnetism. We have completed till here and now we are on this point, the mains. At the mains we get electricity produced by generators at the power station. First we get electricity produced by generators where? In the power stations, which is then distributed to buildings and homes. We use electricity obtained from mains to run all the electrical gadgets such as fan, refrigerator, heater, etc. in our homes and to run machines in factories. We use electricity in all these things, na children? Cells or batteries are not used for this purpose because they cannot provide as much electricity which these gadgets need. Now here, when we want to run factories, machines in the factories, big appliances at home, then we cannot use cells, children, because now we need large amount of current. The electricity produced at power station is first changed to high voltage and then carried by cables or wires to cities. First they are produced at a distant point at power stations and then they, with the help of cables or wires, they are sent to cities at distant places, different places. It is then carried from city substation, then again there is a substation, Bijli Ghar you can say, and then from there again it is then carried from city substation to the electric poles in various localities, different areas, through the transformers to decrease the voltage up to 220 volts. Okay. And then from the electric pole it is carried to the main board in our homes by the means of a cable. And then from the main board, children, electric meter is fixed at your, you must have seen at the gate of your house or somewhere. There is a main board, children. From there, from the main board, electricity is distributed to different rooms in the house through electric wires. And this meter, electric meter at the main board, it is fixed, which measures the electricity consumed. Comes now, bill come according how much you have used the electricity. Then comes generator, children. These days we generally use an electric generator as another means to obtain electricity whenever there is shortage of electric supply or an electric failure. Now children, these days what we are doing, we are using electric generator to obtain electricity because sometimes electricity is not there or some problem is there. When we do not get a supply of electricity from the mains, then we use generator, children. In our school also we have a big generator. So in an electric generator, the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy when we use it. Then comes, children, solar cells. With the advances of science, you all know science has advanced a lot. You must have studied about solar cooker. Now you study about solar cells, children. It has become possible to convert light energy which we are getting from sun to convert into electrical energy in a device called solar cell. Now solar cell, what does it do? It converts solar energy into electrical energy. The solar cells find many uses to provide electricity, just like it is used in just like we use the dry cells. They are used as source of electricity in satellites because when we are going in space, children, we cannot have the cable wires so long enough. So we use what? Solar cells over there. Now, children, flow of electricity in a circuit. The path, the way which the electricity flows is called the circuit, children. Electricity flows only if the circuit is complete. If the circuit is complete, means there is no hindrance, then only the electricity will flow, children. Otherwise, if the circuit is broken or incomplete, electricity does not flow, children. Now with this, we complete our chapter, children. If you have got any problem, just let me know, okay? Please read the chapter carefully and have a nice day.